Everybody, welcome. Another day here at Fivers Distribution. You're going to join us this afternoon while we go and do our collections, and then we are going, well, we've got Douglas and Onken, we've got a few deliveries, then we're going down Port Erin, up by Appeal, got some more collections, and then up north. So sit back, enjoy the ride. Let's go get it. That's all the Douglas collections and deliveries done. Now it's time to head down beautiful south. We've got some in Castletown, Port Erin and Colby before heading up to Peel for some more collections, and then up to sunny north. Stay tuned. So we just stopped off there at our storage for one of our customers, Dreamy, where we've just collected 3 deliveries for her. So prime example of the storage network that we offer as well with our storage and distribution side of Fivers. So we store and distribute all of Dreamy's products. Which is great, you know, for them, because it basically means that they can just concentrate on selling the products, and then, you know, when they make the sale, delivery comes in, they load it on our back end, we go down to the storage, collect it is what they've sold, and get it delivered. So, you know, the customer only really has to concentrate on selling, and we take care of the rest for them. So again, nice and simple, making them retail deliveries nice and easy. It's so refreshing when you've got deliveries from different retailers going next door to each other. You know, makes it all worthwhile when you're doing deliveries. But also, being able to provide that link for retailers to their customers all over the island, it's convenient for the customer. They don't need to go and find that nasty parking spot in Douglas or whichever town it is that they need to go to. They can just order their stuff with that retailer, and then from there, Fivers will pick it up and drop it off. Same day, within 24 hours. And, you know, we're so proud of that. So, you know, just done 2 there in Castletown, different suppliers right next door to each other. Fantastic. Just finished off there, 3 deliveries in Port Erin. Now we're going to head back through Colby before making our way up to Peel, where we've got a couple of collections and drop-offs along the way. So there we have it, everybody. Thank you very much for coming along with me on our little ride around the island. We are done for the day in terms of what I need to do. Tomorrow morning we've got 2 mattresses and a sofa to deliver. Have a great weekend. Spend plenty of time with your loved ones and your families. And we will see you all on Monday. Happy weekend.